In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset a MacBook Air 2015. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this process is super similar to resetting an iPhone, so if you've ever done that before, this is going to feel super familiar. But what you're going to want to do first is go up to the top left corner, select this little Apple logo right here, and then select System Settings to bring up your settings. On this page, make sure you're on this General tab right here, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and select Transfer or Reset. Once you open that up, you're going to see a button that says Erase All Content and Settings. Click on this and it's going to ask for your password. So go ahead and enter that in to continue. And after that, you'll be on a screen explaining that all of your settings, your media, your apps, and your data will be removed from this Mac. Take a second to review everything listed so you know exactly what's being erased. And whenever you're ready, just press continue and follow the on-screen prompts, and your MacBook will now begin the factory reset process automatically. It really is as simple as that. That is how you could factory reset a MacBook Air 2015. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.